I really take issue, unfortunately, and we really have to change this, that we use the word anxiety for the machla of anxiety, and we use the word depression for the machla of depression. And yet, when somebody is normal and healthy, we use the word anxious, and we use the word depressed. And people who are not in the sugya get very confused. Someone who's suffering from a machla of depression, they should call it depressiosis. They shouldn't call it depression, because then people who are healthy go and they say, I know how you feel. Sometimes I'm also down. You know what helps me? Go for a nice walk. Depression is a sickness that can kill you. Depression is you can't lift your head off the pillow. You don't want to live. You don't know what that's like when you're normal and healthy and sometimes you're a little down. That's not suffering from the machla. And we get very confused and we just write it off. Oh, they have depression. Yeah, you should go for a brisk walk, Go to the gym, you're going to feel better. And it's confusing because people who are depressed, when they go to the gym, do feel better. Temporarily, but they have a hole in their brain, so to speak. It's a sickness. It's a mental illness. So and I hate that it's called depression. Because everybody who's normal says, yeah, I know exactly how you feel like. I have the same thing. You just got to get besimcha. If that's Hashem besimcha. And it's not. It's a mental illness. There's a hole in their brain, so to speak. And they can't fix themselves unless they heal it with medication, or if it's due to trauma, which many, many times it is, over something like 85% comes from childhood trauma. So then you have to get the trauma out and go to trauma therapy. And anxiety. Oh, I know exactly how you feel. You have anxiety? I get very anxious sometimes. I know, it's like you're nervous. It's excitement. It's okay. No, it's not okay. People suffering with anxiety don't sleep at night. I recently went on a trip with a kip. He was in my room, and the whole night, as much as I can remember of it, he was breathing like this. He told me, you know how many nightmares I have at night? He snores and he wakes up in the middle of the night. He'll have a nightmare of somebody screaming, get up, get up, get up, get up, run, run. He had all kinds of nightmares from his childhood, Rabbeinu Shalom, suffering a whole night. Of course he wakes up, he's tired. Kids who have anxiety is a machla, not just when something happens, all the time. Their heart's pounding, they feel all kinds of feelings. And it's so terrible that we call it anxiety. Because healthy people think like, oh yeah, I get that too sometimes. You're just a little nervous. Don't worry about it. Calm down. This will relax you. Just relax. Breathe deep. Have emunah. Have bitachon. It's a mental illness. Anxiety is a killer. And I wish it would be called anxiety-isiosis or something like that. Anxicolitis. Call it anxicolitis from now on. Depressiitis and anxicolitis. Because people get confused and then they discount it like it's not such a big deal. It's a really big deal. And then we hurt the people who have that machla. It's a machla just like any other machla that can kill you. We hurt them by not really absorbing how much pain they're in, how broken they are.